Imagine your team stepping away from the office and entering an experience that brings them together from the very first minute. They're welcomed with a delicious appetizer, Iberian ham, local cured meats, traditional pan con tomate. And as they share, they learn how to make their own sangria. The atmosphere shifts instantly. Then comes the challenge. Teams are formed, each with a leader, and different paellas to create, seafood, meat, or vegetarian. Everyone collaborates, everyone contributes, everyone matters. Around the paella pan, job titles fade away and real communication appears. Connection, teamwork, and shared purpose. When the paellas are ready, everyone sits together at the table. They share, they enjoy, and they vote for the winning creation. This is more than a cooking workshop. It's an experience that connects, that inspires. One that transforms the way your team works and the way your team bonds.